Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So first of all, happy Sunday guys, and today I'm very happy because you might have already seen the video's title, right? I just got my brand new phone delivered, and if you're guessing which phone did I buy, well, I bought the OnePlus new phone, the OnePlus 8 Pro, and this one is the highest spec variant, the ultramarine blue edition with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage. So initially guys, I had no plans of buying this phone. What happened is my dad actually was quite interested in this OnePlus 8 new phone, and he bought that in the first sale in India, which happened a couple of days ago. And I had some other phone in my mind. I was thinking of getting that, but after seeing this new phone with the brand new display, the Quad HD Plus with 120Hz Fluid AMOLED display, I instantly fell in love with that, and I really wanted to get that phone only now. Because see, it's also considering the other flagships from different brands, they're quite expensive right in the market. Considering that price segment, this is very affordable in the flagship series. Along with that, it comes with some really crazy specs like 12 GB RAM, 256 GB storage, nice cameras also, and good battery life. So those are the main reasons I bought it. So today in this video, I'll quickly unbox it and show you this beautiful phone and share my thoughts about it. Let's get started. So guys, here is my brand new OnePlus 8 Pro. It comes in this sort of box packaging. That is a really long box for a phone. I have to say I love this red and black theme OnePlus is using, and going to the backside we've got all the details regarding the product. As I've mentioned earlier, this is the top spec'd model, the ultramarine blue variant with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Those are some crazy specs for a phone. The phone costs around like 60,000 rupees on Amazon, and as you can see, it says that the phone has been manufactured by Oppo Mobiles India, which basically means that it's assembled in India. There's nothing written on the box except for the OnePlus branding and says 8 Pro over here. Alright then, let's get started with the unboxing. There we go. Now let's open the box and finally check out our brand new phone. So on opening the box, we've got the brand new OnePlus 8 Pro at the top and says never settle below that. Let me just take it out. Comes nicely packed like this. We'll come back to the phone in a moment. First, let's see what else do we get in the package. This tray doubles up as an accessory box also, and on the inside looks like we've got some paperwork which includes a quick start guide, an invitation letter from OnePlus, some OnePlus stickers, and a SIM ejection tool. Keeping those aside, we also get a free case for the phone as well. It's a good quality TPU clear case and also has a never settle logo on it. Lastly, you'll see a red themed USB Type-C cable for charging and a Warp Charge 30T power adapter for your phone. So that's it, these were all the stuff we got in the box. Now let's finally check out the phone. So here it is guys, the new OnePlus 8 Pro Ultramarine Blue. I've really waited for this phone since a long time to get my hands on it. Let me just remove this cover and take it out. Oh my god, are you guys looking at that color? That looks really stunning. First impressions, it's a beautiful looking phone, quite large in the hands and has nice curves all over the body. It feels quite lightweight in the hand, it weighs only around like 199 grams. So let me just quickly give you a physical overview and talk about its features. Oh guys, you see this? The phone comes with a pre-applied screen guard on the front. Let me just give you a closer look. So it's got a 6.78-inch QHD Plus Fluid AMOLED 120Hz 3D curved display. There's a 16-megapixel hole punch camera to the top left and an earpiece at the top that also doubles up as a speaker. That's it over here. Going to the right, there's an alert slider and a power button below that. On the other side, you've just got the volume rocker. Now going to the top, there's a secondary microphone and some antenna bands which you can see over here. And on the bottom side, you've got a SIM card slot, a primary microphone, a USB Type-C port, and a down-firing speaker. And this is how the phone looks from the back. Holy moly, this is one beautiful looking true flagship phone from OnePlus. I totally love this ultramarine blue. Looks very premium in the hand. The back of the phone is made of a glass with a matte finishing, has the OnePlus logo and the branding, and a new quad camera setup at the top. But I have to mention that is a very big camera bump over there. It's got a 48 megapixel f1.8 primary camera with a IMX689 sensor, an 8 megapixel f2.4 telephoto camera, a 48 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle that also works as a super macro camera, and lastly a 5 megapixel color filter camera which is currently disabled in India. Plus there's also a dual tone LED flash to the left. Along with that, the phone also has other features like Wi-Fi 6 support, NFC, stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos, and is also IP68 water resistant. Awesome, right? It's like a complete feature-packed flagship phone from OnePlus. So what I'll do is I'll quickly power it on, set it up, and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back to continue the video. So the phone is all set up and running, ready to be used. And let me tell you, this is not the first time I'm using a OnePlus 8 Pro. As I've told you before, my dad has already ordered the phone and been using it since quite a few days. And you know what, as soon as you power it on and start using it, you are going to be blown away by this phone guys, especially the display. It's got a beautiful 6.78-inch Quad HD Plus display, a Fluid AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and that refresh rate is going to make a big difference, especially because I am coming from a 60Hz flagship phone, directly jumping to a 120Hz flagship phone, right? I can definitely feel that difference. The whole UI, the transitions, app animations, everything feels so smooth. I just can't believe it. I can only say that this is an amazing display guys. I absolutely love it. There's also one more thing I'd like to tell. The screen guard applied on it, the default factory applied screen guard is like bekar. It's not good guys. It's like getting damaged easily and coming off. I'll just quickly pull it off and apply a new one which I'll order maybe from Amazon. So as soon as I get that, I'll remove it and apply a good quality screen guard. That is not good, I would say. And also one more thing, I've seen a lot of people complain about the OnePlus 8 display regarding something called as a green tint issue and dark crushing, black crushing, something like that. But let me tell you, I have the phone, right? I have two phones in fact in my house. One is with me and the other one is my dad. And I don't see any sort of issues with my display over here. Everything looks fine. So let me just quickly open something and show you. Everything looks perfectly fine guys. I don't see any sort of green tint issues or any dark crushing, black crushing or anything like that. It's perfectly fine, at least with my units. I don't know about other people. And also people said there was some sort of black line bar near the front camera. That is also not there on my phone. I guess I'm very lucky about that. Okay, anyways, that was about my opinion regarding the OnePlus 8 display. It's a fantastic display. And about the UI, OnePlus comes with, Oxygen OS and everything feels very nice, very clean and stock, no unnecessary bloatware apps or anything like that. That is one good thing. So camera, I'll have to test that because I'll be using this phone as my primary daily driver from today, right? So that I'll have to see how the camera works. And about the gaming, that is the main reason I bought this phone guys, because I play a lot of games on a smartphone, especially PUBG Mobile and Fortnite. And I wanted a good gaming phone that comes with Snapdragon 865, really high spec, RAM and all that stuff. It's got 12 gigs of RAM, 256 GB storage and comes with UFS 3.0 storage, right? Super fast and offers excellent results. You can play PUBG on this phone with the graphics set to HDR and the frame rate set to extreme mode guys. You'll get ultimate gameplay. Everything feels so smooth. I never had a PUBG experience like that on any other previous flagship before. So I'll actually make a special gameplay video and a gaming review on this phone very soon. Let me know what sort of games you'd like to see apart from PUBG Mobile in that video and I'll try to cover them. Well, that is pretty much it for today guys. This was mostly like an unboxing and first overview, my thoughts about the OnePlus 8 Pro. So I'll be using this phone for a few days and try to make a full review video very soon on the channel. If you have any doubts or anything, let me know. Also, nobody has actually unboxed this Ultramarine Blue Edition with 12 gigs of RAM. That's why I thought of making this special video for you guys, because you also would like to check out this color, right? It's a very beautiful looking phone. Okay, so any of you guys also bought this new OnePlus 8 or OnePlus 8 Pro? Let me know in the comment section and I'd like to read them. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed this video and got to check out my new phone. I hope you all liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.